Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. If you are a subscriber, please share and like this video. In this video, we build a fountain and make a beautiful garden. So let's start.
We need to assemble sorting garbage truck. Amazing! Filling sorting garbage truck. Pump. Hooray! Let's remove garbage and fix the drinking fountain. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. We did it! We need to assemble covered truck. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Covered truck. Press the pump. We did it. Let's plant young trees and flowers. We need to wash. Covered truck. We need to assemble bucket lift. Ready. Filling. Bucket lift. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's install feeders for birds and forest animals. We've made a great place for the animals to rest and gain strength.